Welcome to Stewarts Creek High School Reach and Teach Campus Tour entry. She's Kylie Wachala.
And she's Rachel Holman. We are so excited to bring our run at this amazing competition to a close.
Well, at least it's us running the show.
Yes, I'm so excited to see what our replacements do.
I know, we crawled, walked, and ran so you guys could fly.
I love making videos with you.
You know what I love more than you?
No, but I'm guessing you'll tell me.
Thrift shopping. I actually bought this from the thrift.
Really? I never would have guessed it was secondhand.
Well, let me tell you firsthand, secondhand is the best hand.
Speaking of making something your own, in Don't Waste It, Remake It, we challenged ourselves to make our own creature.
Let's create. This next clip you're gonna watch is Don't Waste It, Remake It, where we make up imaginary creatures of our own design.
And I'm Kylie. I'm Rachel.
I'm Lexi.
I'm Maggie. We get 3 minutes to get this done. So,
Great.
go!
Okay.
There we go. Something's happening. Right there. It's so tiny.
Scissors, please.
I don't know they are, but they're right there.
Smarts.
Okay, you're gonna. How much time do we have? No, no, it's fine.
Oh, 5 seconds. 5 seconds?
4, 3, 2, and 1.
Okay, time's up, time's up, time's up.
Time's up. I didn't touch it.
What?
This is Penelope. I made her out of this purple fabric, this blue wire, this little purple nose thingy, and then I taped a popsicle stick and put eyes on it, and then she has a bow. Yay! Yay!
That's so cute. This is Darren. And he's the hacky sack species. And I wrapped a styrofoam ball or in felt and then use a pipe cleaner to keep it there, and none of this is glued, and I just happened to find this. So, yay! Yay! Waving, these are arms. Anyways.
Mine. That was not nice. Mine is a lizard with legs.
I see the vision.
It's 2 popsicle sticks bent in half. You got your own paper clip that's used to kind of hold it together, and everything literally just popped on top of it. So you got the pine cleaner and the felt. I didn't have an idea, but the vision came true.
Okay. This is Boswick. She has 2 different lengths of wings to help her fly and soar beyond the clouds. The purple side is magic, and the orange side is talking to animals.
Obviously.
Her body is a styrofoam ball. Oh, these are pipe cleaners, obviously. She has blue eyes, so she can see better when it's night, because fun fact, if you have blue eyes, you can see better at night. She has a happy face because she's a very happy lad, and her antennas are like echolocation type things, where she can sense her species from afar. So
Obviously.
this is Boswick.
Now you're close to all of them.
It's not held together by anything. Obviously, it's not gonna stay together.
Okay, yeah.
Boswick.
The end. Bye.
That was so much fun. Everyone did such an amazing job.
I know, winning that challenge was a breeze.
Okay, it wasn't a competition, and even if it was, you definitely did not win.
Hey, what do you mean? My lizard was incredible.
If you mean incredibly horrible, then yes. Sorry, I think that was harsh.
Yeah, it was. I put my blood, sweat, and tears into the lizard with legs.
That is such a lame name.
Well, Darren isn't much better.
Yours didn't even look like a lizard.
The instructions were to make up a fake creature, and that is what I did.
Well, at least we can both appreciate Maggie and Lexi's critters.
Yeah, Boswick and Penelope were truly interesting.
Agreed.
On that positive note, it's time for Dress to Impress, where me and Kylie put the passion in fashion. Whoosh. She's Kylie.
She's Rachel.
And today for Dress to Impress, we're going to be showing you the way that we kind of think of making outfits / process, starting with me.
We're going to be styling these flared leggings that have little daisies on them with yellow accents and green accents. We have this green striped shirt, this blue striped shirt, this tan shirt with green and black accents, a white shirt, red with a little daisy on it, black shirt, a blue shirt that has a cow and, grass and a little pond. So we're going to see which fit best with the pants. We can already get rid of some options like this blue shirt, get out of here, and that red shirt, you have nothing to do with the color of the pants, so get out of here too. The rest, we'll try them on. If I wanted to keep it simple by wearing a solid color shirt, doesn't matter if it's white or black, what should I pair with it to jazz it up? Either A, a white sweater, B, the flannel, or C, the green sweater. They're all really cute, so I think they all would work, but personally, the flannel is my favorite. Now, if I wanted to wear this green undershirt, which options are better, A, B, or C? Personally, I think B and C look a lot better. A just didn't give the same vibes. Sweaters on long sleeves are way too hot for me. But speaking of that, putting a jacket on a long sleeve, for me, is way too hot. Same thing with the sweater on long sleeve. I kind of actually ended up liking it. I think it was cuter than I thought it was. My advice to you is to think of the 3 C's when you make an outfit: comfort, color, and class.
So I did end up wearing a variation of the outfit today.
And you look fabulous.
Thank you.
Now it's my turn to see how I get ready for the day. How I pick my outfits.
Oh, I love the transition. They're so good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So that is how we both get ready for our days and pick our outfits. Don't forget the 3 C's: comfort, color, and class. That's Rachel and Kylie.
We really know how to style a cute outfit.
And the best part is we feel great in it.
Ain't that the truth?
My favorite part was getting to look at our aesthetic similarities and differences.
Right? We both like having options, but I like to completely switch it up each time, where you build off of one piece.
Yep. I like to get uses out of every piece I own, but one has to be the star.
You know what I'm in the mood for?
Words you need to know, also known as wink?
I was gonna say coffee, but sure.
Today's word is epic. It means the end of an era.
I can't believe we're so close to graduation.
Senior year really is the epic of high school.
And that isn't used in a sentence. But really, I don't know whether to cry or jump up and down with joy.
Next up, people versus people,
where we debate to what you relate.
Welcome to People versus People, where we argue as people.
I'm Leah Talby.
Versus people.
I'm Leah Talby.
I'm Maggie Lapierre.
I'm Rachel Holman.
And I'm Kylie Wachala. Today's topic is beach versus pool. Team pool.
Team pool.
Team beach.
My grandma
The
has a
beach is
pool.
fun.
Like kids pee in the pool.
Yeah, but what if you're in a saltwater
kids
pool? What if you're in a saltwater pool and they pee and then there's no chlorine to kill the pee?
Well, what do you think the salt's there for? I don't know what the salt. I don't know what the salt's there for. Well, I'm guessing that's somewhat of the purpose. What's the part of the salt then?
I don't
Exactly.
I'm a pool
Is
owner.
It exfoliates your skin really good.
Okay.
The beach or a saltwater pool?
Yeah, both of
But
them.
the same thing with the beach. The beach is just pee.
No, I
from
think
the
saltwater
animals.
pool is just supposed to be better because you don't have to put all those chemicals in it. Because chlorine is a bunch of
You can get
chemicals.
options though with pools. You know,
I don't know.
salt water, water,
Oh, and the
chemical
beach is
water.
better because
I don't like looking out into the ocean. You can't see it. It's just pitch black. It's like I always think oh my gosh, what if I get stranded in the
or
ocean?
bit by a shark.
black.
Something just
That's an
straight
irrational
shot
fear of
runs
mine.
at me from the ocean because I'm like nothing.
I be
but
doing that to
water.
people at night when I go to the beach. No, I'm joking. I like just
How can you hold
your breath. Like that. But imagine you're at the beach and you just see Moana running at you.
So our next question is treehouse or underground bunker? Why would you choose underground bunker?
Because, I mean, like, one, if there's ever a nuke coming, then I'm safe. And you guys.
Okay, but everybody else is dead, so why would you want to be alone for the rest of your life?
At least I'm alive.
You're
I
away
mean,
from everyone.
Okay, alive and alone or dead with all your friends?
Ooh, new question.
But treehouse, literally magic treehouse. Me, Lacey, and Eric in our magic treehouse, Noah is not invited.
What would you do with $1,000?
For all my car guys out there, I'm gonna put a down payment on a Tricehawk.
Bro, you can't put 1,000 down payment.
Yeah,
on a
no,
Tricehawk.
that's just not happening.
No, bro.
Yeah, your credit score is probably
Well,
like a grand total
like-
of 50.
How about y'all? CJ?
If I had $1,000, might go out to spend it on some food. You feel me?
$1,000 worth of food?
$1,000 worth of food?
Yeah, some Raising Cane's.
Here you go.
How many cane boxes?
No, bro.
is that?
No, bro. This man finna get a full cup of cane
It's
sauce.
around like $1,000 worth
chicken.
of cane sauce at this point. Like,
Yeah.
Bro,
No,
how
bro.
much? How much?
You gotta, bro.
That's insane.
I just put my refrigerator.
How about you, Ethan? How about you?
I don't know, 100%. 100%. I'm gonna go the saving route, most likely. I mean,
Speak for yourself. Huh? That's all I gotta say.
Nah, but I kind of agree with him a little bit because my dad always say like, with the extra money that you got, just kind of invest in something so you can kind of like make it back in the long run. So that's it for people versus people, and we are here with
Kai,
Trey,
Ethan,
CJ.
Maggie Lupier.
Leah Talby.
Rachel Holman.
Kylie Wachala.
Noah LaFave.
Lexi Pope,
Lacey Tobin.
Dirk Roush.
thanks for watching.
That was hilarious. The way that we got so invested in our opinions.
My favorite part was you not knowing anything about salt water.
Why would I be a pool expert just because I work at one doesn't mean I live there too?
No one said you lived there. It's just that you pretended like you were a pool expert by being like, oh, what do you think the salt's there for?
I don't sound like that. And to be honest, the guys had a point about saving money. Once I learn how and actually commit, I'm gonna be rolling in the green.
Well, for now, you'll just have to roll in grass.
Or pennies.
That sounds like it would hurt.
Hey, money is pain. You know what they say.
They don't say that. The saying is beauty is pain.
All right, now I'm seeking out both. Now for prove it.
That segue was trash, but this segment is gonna smash.
Respectfully.
The story starts a long, long time ago, in the 9th century from Celtic poetry.
There was a king of Camelot named Uther Pendragon who ruled with an iron fist over his kingdom. He hated magic because he used it to have a child with his parents' love.
The magic brought him a son named Arthur, but while delivering their new baby boy, he lost his beloved Igraine. After her death, Igraine's youngest daughter, Morgan Le Fay, got sent to a nunnery after Uther murdered her father.
Uther and Igraine's son, Arthur, grew up not understanding why his father despised magic as he did, which caused a rift to form between them. Many moons had passed after allowing Arthur to grow into a man.
Uther grew deadly ill after ingesting Saxon poison, killing him, leading to Arthur's coronation. Arthur marries Guinevere, making her the new queen.
Her father, King of Scotland, gifted the happy couple the Round Table as a show of support. King Arthur's right-hand man, Merlin, who was the greatest wizard of all the land, told the king of the most powerful sword fit for the truest of kings and where to get it.
Before they passed the point of no return, they received the Excalibur from Nimue, also known as the Lady of the Lake. With the power of this new sword, he creates the Round Table full of the greatest of knights, including Sir Lancelot.
A war was on the brink of devastating their lands when Guinevere, the queen, and Lancelot, a knight of the Round Table, had an affair. Some people say that Arthur was stabbed to death in battle.
But I believe he died of a broken heart. But blood loss may have something to do with it. Before he breathed his last breath, he requested that Excalibur is returned to the lake where it was given to him.
What are you doing?
I'm making potions, poisoning cats, and cursing my greatest enemies.
So you're a witch.
Clearly, can't you tell by the green skin, pointy nose, and the cauldron?
You know that's not accurate, right? Witches don't look like that.
Okay, what do they look like then? The witch expert?
Well, I don't know. I just know you're not being a witch right.
Don't tell me how to be a witch right.
I am not telling you how to be a witch
Yes,
right.
you are.
I am not.
Ugh. Fine. Let's settle this. A witch off.
Which kind of witch are you?
The evil kind, obviously.
Oh, do you use black magic or something? That's lame.
Yeah. But natural witches are the lame ones. They're weird and icky.
What do you mean? I'm in harmony with the trees, the water, and the air you breathe.
Huh. My magic's stronger, though. I harness chaos, disharmony, and I'm your worst nightmare.
Let's settle this here and now.
That sounds like fighting words.
Okay, put 'em up.
That was my favorite thing we've made to date.
I agree. That was the most fun thing we've made, too.
The fact that we had to scrape together junk for costumes, talk about creativity.
Didn't we have a paper crown and a jacket as hair?
It's funny how paper, passion, and a little bit of elbow grease can make a dream into reality. That is my favorite story since youth, and getting the opportunity to recant the tale was legendary.
We even talked about it in English, so that information didn't go to waste.
I tip my hat to that. Well, that's our show. I hope we brought you a smile.
Even better if it lasts a while.
She's Kylie.
She's Rachel, and it was a pleasure to compete in this competition for 3 years.
I'm gonna miss it, and thank you to Mr. B for your support, our video production classmate for your invaluable assistance, and Stewarts Creek High School for the opportunity.
We are signing off.